welcome back to another episode of
Quirky Coaster Couple.
I'm Nick.
And I'm Kelly. And today we are at Six Flags Over Texas to ride
Tormenta Rampaging Run.
Now, the gates have just opened and we're about to climb up the
300 feet tall lift hill. This is Texas's, the world's only Giga dive coaster. If you're not familiar with what a Giga dive coaster is, or a Giga coaster, it's a coaster that's over 300 feet tall, and we have it right here at Six Flags Over Texas.
Right now
we're climbing 309 feet up to the very top of the lift hill, and once we get there, this drop and this view is insane. Give me your hand. Once we get to the top, we are going to be held dangling over the edge for 3 seconds. Oh my gosh, look at this view.
That is
You
such
can
a
see
great
so
view.
much.
Oh my gosh.
Is that, yes, Texas? No, it's not. Oh my gosh. Look at this. We're going to dangle for 3 seconds. And look at,
Oh my,
gosh.
God.
Beyond vertical drop. 95 degrees! Oh my God!
Oh man, 218 feet tall, 179-foot vertical loop. Oh man,
Oh my God.
right into the block break.
Oh,
But it's not over yet.
there's a second drop and a very cool head chopper moment. This is insane. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Wow! Yes! Oh my God!
What
That
a great
was
addition to the
awesome.
park.
This is an awesome addition. It is the signature attraction for the 65th anniversary here at Six Flags Over Texas. You have to come out and ride it for yourself.
For sure.
That was fun.